Harshit. So, how are you? Good evening. How are you today?
I'm good.
Okay, let's start the topic water. Water everywhere. It is said like that. Why?
Is it because the water is all around the earth?
The water is all around the earth. Almost 3/4. If it is like a full, then 70. If it is 100, then 70 is water, 30 is land. Second thing, we cannot do anything without water. We will die. Plants will die. All animals will die if there is no water. That's why we always say that don't waste water because water is life. Without water, we will not survive. We will die. This is a fruit. Look at me. Look at me. Which fruit is this?
Orange.
Orange. So, if I squeeze this fruit, what will happen? The juices will come out. What these juices contain? Glucose and water.
Nutrients.
Glucose and water. Okay, it is mixed with water. The sugar part is mixed with water. That's why oranges are so good for health because it nourishes our body with lots of fluid, lots of watery things. You tell me 5 uses of water before I start the class. Think and tell me.
Drinking.
You drink water first. Second,
Washing clothes.
good. Third one,
Cooking.
hmm, fantastic. Fourth one,
Bathing.
wow, great. And last one, watering the plants,
Yeah.
putting water to the plants. Otherwise, like us, plants will also die. But plants cannot move here and there to get water, to fetch water for themselves. So we have to water the plants. So these are the major uses of plants. Yeah, water. Excepting that, water is very much required if there is any fire, to douse the fire, to
Oh
put out
yeah.
the fire. The firemen, they what they do, they give water jets. Okay, the firefighter machines, they come, they give water jets to douse the fire. So without water, we are incomplete. We cannot do anything. Now shall I start the screen? Start
Yeah.
sharing the screen? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this slides over. So this is what are the basic things about water. Where we get water, how water, rainwater, what is the use of rainwater. So basic things about water. Next point is sources of water. From where we get water. Sea and ocean water is salty. So if you visit the sea or the ocean sometime, okay, if you get that, you just taste it, okay? Just taste it and you see how salty it is. You cannot even drink seawater. It is so salty.
Rain is a main source of water. When it rains, water gets filled in ponds, streams, lakes, and rivers.
Now, this is sources of water, their picture. There are different sources of water, two types of sources. One is natural sources, one is man-made sources. Rainwater, that is, those are the natural sources of water. What are the man-made sources of water? Wells, deep tube wells, taps, okay? They are all man-made sources of water. Different animals, different fishes, starfish, dolphins, okay, whale, so many types of sea animals. And they are the sea plants also. There are many types of sea plants. So their water is like their home. That's why they are also called as aquatic animals or aquatic plants. Now I have a short test for you. I'll ask you the question, you just answer. What kind of water cover most of the earth? Fresh water, salt water, or tap water? Seas and
Salty water.
oceans. Salt water, salty water, right? Next question. A dash is a body of water that flows from one place to another. A river, a ocean, or a lake.
River.
River, yeah. What is happening here?
Mm. What is happening where?
This first picture, I put the pointer. The cooking is taking place, okay? Next one, what is that?
It is river.
It is a stream. Third one,
Oh,
this is,
glorious.
no, not glacier. This is a river. Simple river coming out, coming down from the mountain. Okay?
Okay.
Dash helps clothes to dry faster. Wind or water?
Mm, Wind.
Don't think so much, huh? Moving air is called wind or snow.
Wind.
Very good. Gentle wind is called storm or breeze.
Breeze.
Breeze. Very good. Next part to leave. Third one. True or false? Dirty air make us healthy. True or false?
False.
We must grow more plants. Plants keep the air fresh.
True.
True. Air contains smoke, germs and dust. Moving air is called wind.
Wind.
Okay. And when it is moving very slightly, it is called breeze. When it is moving very strongly, it is called as storm. Right? Next, choose the correct answer. Too much of rain can cause breeze, flood, drought, or rainbow. Too much of rain can cause breeze, flood, drought, or rainbow.
Flood.
Very good. The changing form of water in nature is called the fog, wind, cycle, or weather. The water, when it evaporates, it becomes the what? When the water evaporates, it becomes what?
It becomes a cloud.
It becomes a gas. Okay. Okay. And when water cools down, it becomes ice. So it is the changing form of water that is called as water cycle. Foggy and stormy weather are not suitable for crops, driving, playing indoor, or eating food. If it is very foggy or if a storm is there, it is raining, will you go out of the house?
No.
Will you go for a driving? No. So it is
No.
not suitable for driving. Too less rain can cause drought or flood. When the rain is very less, okay, there is almost no rain. It causes flood or drought.
Drought.
Drought. Write the spelling.
I don't know what.
Drought. Drought. Written.
Yeah.
Next class, I will take a test on cleanliness and safety rules. Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye.